Hey guys, what's up? So right now we're gonna play some survival games. Change my skin so you can see. Look at my hand. Look at my hand. Hand. Okay. I don't know. Did I do another survival game? I don't think I've done any other survival games. Okay. So just a second ago, I was trying to record a video on Roblox. But then I was like, nah, this is way too bad. Because then you're just going to see me, like, you're just going to keep on seeing me typing so I can say stuff to people. Yeah. Well, this is going to start in 30 seconds, so there's no point in actually putting pause on the video. Okay, how do you pronounce that? Okay, no, like the first part. C-X. Kicks, jelly gaming, say. That was weird. Hey, where's my bow and arrow? I had an archer kit, I think. Where's that archer kit? Okay. Just punch it in the face. Okay. I know it's been a while because I don't have that much. Actually, I have a ton of time in my day. I'm just very lazy. Okay. Come on. Okay. Right. Yo. Hey. No. I'm gonna beat you with my bare hands. Beat him up. Okay. This is gonna be a long fight. Well, not that long, I think. If I beat him up. Yeah, get out of here. Get out of here. Ooh, you. Yeah, get out. There we go. It's a good thing I'm crouching. And I would have fallen off by now and died. Man, I got something in my throat. Was there even... That was worthless. Just beat that guy up with my bare hands for nothing. There's not even anything here. This is just like a snipering spot. I'm too lazy to go back down. Goodbye, crew. Actually, I don't want you guys to get mad at me for being lazy. Okay. I'm dead. That sounded like a totally fake scream. It sounded like I didn't... Oh, right. Now I know. Okay, that's why I don't... What the... That's... Oh my gosh. This is bad. Okay. Got 0 more people left. Yeah, I'm just gonna put pause while you guys are waiting. Because I don't want you guys to sit through me... waiting here. I can actually punch people. Wait 1 second. I just wanted to say that I'm in the game. And there's 3 minutes. And tell me, do you guys want me to put pause on these little things so I don't waste your video time? You guys just tell me. Say in the comments. Do it. If you do it, I'll give you a cookie. Cookies are good for your mental health and your health. Cookies are good. Okay, we're back. 2 seconds. 1 second. Let's start. Got a bow and arrow, since that's my class today. Do I see a chest? I see a chest. I like this pirate ship. It's still little, but it's got lots of loot. I hope. And then I just swam over here for nothing. I'm good at parkour! Okay, no, I'm not. I'm good at parkour on the PS3, though. Oh, you... Get the... guy shot me. Okay. 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 I'm gonna wear this and this and this and this. Why would I wear beef? Give me that. Nope, I don't want the one I want. I want the stone one. I want that. I can keep the rest. Yes. Okay. Okay, now I can wreck some face. I have a melee weapon, a ranged weapon. Now all I need is, well, I don't need anything else, so it's time to fight. Wanna fight, mate? Yo, okay, he has another type of axe, so I'm not gonna mess. I'm out. Nope, nope. Okay, that sounded like some sort of like mating. Okay, I'm out. Nope. Okay, and I'm low on hunger, so I'm pretty much dead. Oh no. Come on! You gotta be kidding me. I was actually doing good. I'm gonna join this place. Let me join. And like. And we'll join you. Can you hear that? That was the sound of me tapping. Yeah. It's a very beautiful noise. Get out of my way. Oh. No! And that is how videos get ruined. And that is when we play it, I guess. Like it. Like it, yeah. Okay. Let's play some Roblox. Just get comfortable. Thanks. Yeah, I'll see you guys in a game. Okay, so it looks like we're going to be playing Heroes. Be a medieval action hero. I've actually played this game before. It's pretty fun. Amazingly fun. It's actually more fun than you guys think it would be. Yeah. As you can see, how do I already have 2,001 kills? I mean, 200, what? How would I? Okay, I'm stuck. I'm stuck in a wall. Help. Okay. I'm just gonna check in my inventory. So nobody can hurt me. Okay. Where is the obsidian shield? I don't care. What the? Okay, what is happening? Help. Please. Oh, hey, look, one of my friends is here. Wait, what? Okay, that means that she was playing it all night. Okay, that's weird. Okay, can somebody please help me? Abadee. That's what you're gonna see for the next 5 minutes. Hopefully not. That's it. Goodbye, cruel world. Yep, I'm dead. I am a ghost. Ooh, spooky ghost. I'll see you guys in the next round. I said next round, okay? Okay, if you didn't hear me, I said I'll see you guys in the next round. Ooh, spooky ghost. Spooky ghost. Oh, and also, I had to take out the music because didn't realize it until now because it might be copyrighted. So, back in the video, there was, yeah, I'm just gonna cut that part out. Okay. Oh, come on. No. Don't kill me. Don't kill. I said don't kill me. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. I'm almost dead. No, shoot. Don't die. Don't die. Don't. I said don't. Just don't. Don't you just hate it when you tell your character in a video game to do something, to not do something, and then they do it anyway? Yeah. Cold. Okay. I need to be louder in my video. You gotta be kidding me. And now the game is glitching out. Well, that's all the time that I have for this video. See you guys later. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. See you later. Bye, 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 bye. Bye. Yeah. You never heard that last part, okay?